Hi, this is Margie from PandaDoc, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a proposal template from scratch using our new Editor 2.0. First, I'll give the template a name. Next, I'll add a text block so I can type out an introduction. For dynamic information, like names, which can change from document to document, I'll be using roles and variables as placeholders. I'm adding two roles here, one for the client and one for the sender, as placeholders for recipients and signers of future documents. Next, I'm adding role variables, which will autofill once I create a document and assign recipients to these roles. To make it a little more visually appealing, I'll add an image next to the introduction text block. Then I'll insert a video about my company by adding a video block and simply pasting in a YouTube link. No proposal is complete without a quote, so I'll add a pricing table, select some products from my catalog, add a 5% discount and a 21% tax too. I don't need the subtotal column, so I'll go ahead and remove it in the pricing table properties. Next, I'll add a page break to visually separate the content. This also makes for a nice layout in case the document is downloaded or viewed as a PDF. I'll use another text block for the subscription agreement section, add a role variable, and create a custom variable simply by typing it out with square brackets. I'll throw in a timeline using a simple table, and we'll spruce up the design a little later. For the signatures section, I'll use the role variables again as placeholders for the signer's first and last name. Then I'll add two signature fields and assign one to the sender and one to the signer. Now, whenever I create a document from this template, all I have to do is pick a recipient for each role, and the signature fields will automatically be assigned to them. To make my proposal stand out and look more professional, I'll use a cover page. I'm adding the proposal name with a role variable for the client company name. Then, in page settings, I'll change the background color to green and add my company logo, which I can easily resize. To make the text stand out, I'll change the font color to white, and to complete my design, I'll add a background image on the right. Now to customize the design theme for the whole template. I'll change the headings color to green and import a Google font. I'll change the heading's font size a bit, then I'll change the font and font size of the regular text too. Now let's tune up the pricing table a bit. Again, I'll change the header's font color, add capitalization, and remove the vertical borders and outline of the table. To make the last row stand out, I'll change the background color. I want to highlight the pricing page, so I'll go into page settings and change the page background to yellow. I have some additional information from a PDF file that I want to include, so I'll attach that at the end of my template. On the uploaded file, I'll add a block and insert an image to polish it off. And voila! Now I have a reusable template so I can create document after document with just a few clicks.